Today we will be talking about the Centella cream. The main ingredient is Centella asiatica. It's a perennial herb which is primarily grown in Asia. So now I will put the Centella cream as a mask on my client who has irritated skin at the moment, and we will try and calm her skin down. I will now use the Centella cream on my client who has redness on her skin. We will calm her skin down with it. It's a thick gel kind of texture to it. Use a thick layer on the spot as well and leave it for some time. This will help with dark acne scars and further breakouts. I'm just gonna put it on her red area for it to calm down. Very soothing and calming. You can also use the Centella cream as an overnight mask for collagen production, and in the morning you'll see that the skin is really plump and it's hydrated as well. So we'll just kind of end it like this while I'm putting it. Hey guys, thank you for watching our videos. Feel free to follow us for more skincare tips and tutorials. See you later. Bye.